Welcome to Dirk's Unique Stories with custom-made language reviews, exercises, and memoranda. So let's get to work. Timing and colors. This is a worksheet with a lesson about life. Copy the questions in writing and answer them as you go along. 1. Who arrived first and why was he so annoyed? 2. What was Margie's excuse for being so late? 3. Why was the librarian needed to take a photo of everyone? 4. What rights do children have? Name about 5. 5. What are the dangers of too much freedom? That means for children. 2 sentences. 6. Who received compliments about her points? What do you think she said? 7. What did Tabang have to say about punctuality? 8. Do you agree with him? Motivate your answer. 9. What is the strongest argument for being punctual? Where is everyone? I shouldn't be doing this all on my own. Are you guys coming? I think the librarian left the high school books here. Yeah, right, not our books. Lisa, please bring a book along. Mine got locked up in another classroom. Thanks for bringing yours. Do you mind if I share with you?
No, not at all. Feel free to join me. Sorry for being so late. I had detention. My glasses are still being repaired.
Poor you. We will help you.
No problem. Just listen attentively. Let's all read one paragraph in turn. Then we can stop for discussions. Welcome, Jason. Now everyone is here. We look so snazzy in our uniform colors, yes? I'll ask the librarian to take a cell phone photo of us. That would be a great memory.
Hold it there, Jason. We need to discuss that point.
Do you guys understand my point? What do you say, Jessica? I fully agree with Margie. We should stand up and be heard. Let us split into 2 groups now. We will continue here.
Then we meet up again after 10 minutes and share our views. Okay, I continue on the next page, paragraph 2.
Lisa, you and I read together to help Jessica. Right, we also save time this way.
Jason, you can help me take notes so we can share with everyone.
That's another good point you made, Lisa.
Tabang and I wrote our summaries of the last discussions.
We did the same. We are ready to give everyone a copy of ours.
Before we go, please be on time next time. I was here at the time we all agreed on.
Until next time then, be punctual. It shows respect for others.
Self-marking and corrections memo. 1. Tabang. He had to wait a long time for them. They didn't stick to the time. 2. She had detention. 3. It was the first time everyone had been uniformly dressed. 4. The right to a name and nationality at birth, protection, care, education, privacy, and similar. 5. Too much freedom and too few responsibilities lead to being spoiled. Lack of accountability is a recipe for disaster. 6. Lisa, learners give own ideas. 7. He asked everyone to stick to the time and show up punctually. 8. Yes, as she said, it points to respect for the other person. 9. Respect for the other person. 10. Bonus. Discuss. We should stand up and be heard. Also discuss the points and the rules that should be adhered to when having this session of we should stand up and be heard. Author's note to teachers. Hi, you can and may expand this lesson application yourself further with grammar questions. Set up a separate worksheet for your learners with a wide variety of questions. morphology, syntax, parts of speech, etc. It is all well represented here. Just please maintain my copyright of the original material, refer, link to my other videos, and share further. Greetings, Dirk.e.teacher. I will follow up further in due course with PDFs of the video texts. Thanks for participating. Graphics, PowerPoint, everything else, Dirk.e.teacher. Please like, share, and subscribe. Available as PowerPoint presentation. Click playlists for more videos. Hope to see you soon again.